Hello guys, welcome to Cryptomalo community. Today we are going to discuss on the 1000 billion MSP token airdrop by NetMoney in Huobi EcoChain blockchain. We can enter through the bot. Click on the start button. Just solve the mathematical captcha. You will get the link of net.money site. Just copy the link. Go to Huobi EcoChain supported wallet. I am using Token Pocket here. Select the wallet. If you are not having, just create a wallet. Go to the DApp section and enter the link. Just click on the search button. Your wallet gets connected to the site. Now you can go back to the airdrop bot. Either you can copy the link and search it or enter directly to the bot. Click on the check button. The tasks for the airdrop will appear. Now we can complete the task one by one. The first task is to join Net's Telegram group and channel. Both I had done already before. The second step is to join Moonship's Telegram group and Telegram channel. The next step is to just follow the NetMoney's Twitter account. The next step is to follow Moonship's Twitter account. You can see the details of the project here. They are asking to retweet the pinned post, so we need to complete that task too, both in Moonship Finance and NetMoney's Twitter. Just hit a like and retweet the post. Also, we need to do it in the NetMoney's Twitter also. With that, we concluded the major tasks. Just check you have completed all the tasks and click on the submit detail button. You can enter any of your mail ID. Your Twitter handle. Just click on the yes button. Again hit on the yes button. Again hit the yes button. You will get the referral link and you can refer maximum number of friends. You will get 3000 MSP for every old referral and 30,000 MSP for new referral. Also, you can claim the airdrop using the link provided after the end period. With this, we conclude this airdrop. We can have a look at crypto news. The first thing is that KuCoin AMA, which is going to happen today. You can see how to add different blockchains to MetaMask wallet. The ongoing CoinMarketCap airdrop, you can have a look at the Slim token, which is already listed in MXC and Gate.io. Binance AMA, which is going to happen today. There is a angel recruitment for Vietnam, Turkish and India community in MXC. If you are wishing, you can apply. The $30 Momoki airdrop, if you are eligible, you can claim it. The video is already posted. The bakery shop IDO is coming on June 7th. the CoinSwitch Cooper a small giveaway task. Binance is going to list Automata. You can stake BNB, BUSD or DOT in the launchpad to earn Automata. You can see the details also in the announcement. It's the 20th project on Binance Launchpool, and if you are eligible for the Drop airdrop, you can claim it in the Drop bot by connecting the wallet. Thank you and have a nice day. For more airdrops, keep subscribing our Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. The link is provided in the description.